Good evening, fellow viewers. I am here to have a presentation on the topic computer science and computer engineering. Delving into the fascinating world of computers, understanding the difference between computer science and computer engineering is crucial. Both fields are closely related, but their focus and approach are distinct. This is a brief on what we are going to be talking about. And as you know, this presentation was put together by Mr. Messi and me, your presenter this evening. So, without wasting much time, we are moving on to the definition and focus areas under the topic computer science and computer engineering. The definition and focus area of computer science. The study of computation, algorithms, and information processing. It focuses on the theoretical foundation of computing, exploring concepts like data structures, programming languages, and artificial intelligence. Then, computer engineering, definition and focus area. The design and development of computer hardware and computer and software systems. It focuses on the practical application of computer principles, integrating software and hardware to create functional devices. So, the difference between computer science and computer engineering, from my point of view, is that computer science deals with the software aspect of computing. Then the computer engineering is the combination of the hardware and software systems. So we are moving on to the programming and hardware under computer science and computer engineering. Computer science emphasizes software development, focusing on designing and building programs, applications, and algorithms. Then computer engineering involves both software and hardware development, as I said, with a focus on designing and building physical components like processors, memory, and input or output devices. So the key thing you are supposed to get out of this slide is that programming and hardware. As you know, as I said earlier on, computer science is basically about software. Then computer engineering is like a mixture of computer engineering, computer science, then hardware aspect of the computer. So it's like making tea by mixing water and Milo to create tea. So computer science is the Milo, then the water is the computer hardware. Then it's both combined to become computer engineering. So without the Milo, which is the computer science, some computer hardware can never have a purpose of existence. So without wasting my time, we are going to the next slide, which will be talking about delving into the theoretical and applied. More theoretical, the computer science, theoretical and applied. More theoretical, delving into the abstract concepts behind computing and exploring advanced theories in the area like cryptography and machine learning. So I don't know much about the graphy, but I know about the machine learning. The machine learning is basically about AI, as we all know as artificial intelligence. That's the one of the big aspects under the machine learning. Then computer engineering, theoretical and applied. So in this slide, we are just showing you that computer science is theoretical, then computer engineering is applied, which in other words practical. More practical, focusing on applied theoretical knowledge to design and build real-world computer systems. So without the computer science, which is theoretical, you won't be able to get the computer engineering. Algorithms and system design. Algorithms is for computer science because it deals with machine learning and coding. The system design is the practical building components, hardware, input, and processes. Software development versus hardware design. Software development and hardware design. The reason there's a versus here is that we are comparing the two to see their difference. So computer science is basically software. It deals about software aspect of computers, and computer engineering is building processes. So focuses on creating software applications, website, mobile apps, and operating system like operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Red Hat, and many more. Mobile apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp, and games as we play, and websites such as Microsoft.com, Apple.com, and many more. Then application softwares. Then computer engineering involves building and designing physical components like processors, memory, and networking devices. So as I said, makes microprocessors and networking devices. It builds career path and job opportunities. So we are going to be talking about or dealing with the career paths, like the careers you can get and job opportunities when you go more into software computer engineering and computer science. So this for the computer science and this for the computer engineering. So when you study or go more into computer science, you can become a software developer which can create games, mobile apps, and websites. Then the hardware engineer designs microchips, microprocessors, the hard disk, projectors like I'm using. Though when you go into this field, you'll be making these things for a living. Then you are going to the key similarities and differences. The last slide on this topic. 1. Shared foundation. We are going to be talking about the similarities between the key similarities between computer science and computer engineering. So first, both fields are rooted in computer science principles with a strong emphasis on logic and problem solving. AI, machine learning, I told you, Milo and water. Without them, you can't get the tea you are looking for. Then 2, complementary roles. Computer scientists and engineers often collaborate on projects integrating software and hardware to create innovative solutions. So if you don't have the video, you can't, and you don't have the water, you can't create your tea. Then 3, growing demand. Both fields offer promising career paths with a high demand for skilled professionals in the rapidly evolving tech landscapes. landscape. So all I just said is that the key similarities and differences. So they will all have a shared foundation, complementary roles, and growing demand. These two topics I just talked about in this presentation says that they are both equally needed in the society, but when this one is not there, the other one cannot work. So they work as a team, where computer engineering makes hardware components, then computer science makes software. Thank you. Thank you.